Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change spacing between letter in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to change the spacing between letter or text. At first, select this letter. Now I am select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and we can see here the spacing character. Then we select this option and we can see here many options. You can applying the very loose or loose, tight, etc. Now I am select the very loose option and we can see we change the spacing between letter very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.